Comment ça va? So for this week, we are working on module 6, which is in this module, you are going to learn how to ask and answer questions related to clothing and how to give your opinion about clothes in French. So if you open the module, then if you go to step 1, so remember that the first page that I have here for you is a link to all the videos that you will need for this module, which is the new vocab that you are learning this week. And then, of course, step 1 is going to be a link to the lesson. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open the link to the lesson, and I will show you what we are learning. So as I said, the objective for this module or for this folder is that you are going to learn how to ask and answer questions related to clothes. So I have a list of questions here for you in French and English, and I have the answer, like how you're supposed to answer to be able to know how to pronounce these questions, because one of the activities is that I will ask you to ask 4 questions or to answer the questions. Click on the link here that says watch the video lesson. Click on the link and it will take you to my YouTube video where you will hear me pronouncing these words for you. Again, if you go to page 2, you will see that I have more French vocabulary related to fashion. Again, if you need to know how to pronounce these words or these adjectives, click on the link to my YouTube video. Same thing for the how to learn how to say the patterns of different fabric in French. I have the recording here, and then the last one is going to be about different expressions that we use using clothes. So this is just an extra one that I wanted to add. So this is like more advanced. I will not be asking you about this. This is more like level 3, but I know that some of you like to learn different expressions in French. So I added this one for students who I know they like to learn these sentences or to learn more than what I plan for the week. So yeah, so it's gonna be, as I said, step 1 is gonna be the lesson. Step 2 is gonna be, of course, the formative, which is to practice the new vocab. And when it comes to step 2 for this week, it is about choice activities. So I want you to learn more about the culture and some general information about fashion or different brands in France. So you have 9 different links here, and then I want you to pick 5 of them. So most of them are YouTube videos. I want you to watch the video and then, or pick the video you want and then watch it and then answer the question or questions that I have here for you. And of course, when you're done, click on share. Make sure that you can add me or just copy the link and go to submit, or you can upload it to Schoology. So this is step 2. And then we are going to go to step 3, and step 3 is going to be the summative. And the summative is a voice thread activity. So remember that this is the second or the third week that we're using a voice thread, and we are going to start using it more because it is it is similar to Schoology discussion, but it is better because I can just reply to your submission with an audio or a video to explain to you if or to give you feedback, and then you can redo it. I feel that it is better than Schoology discussion. I like Schoology discussions, but I like voice thread too. So when it comes to this assignment, I am asking you to pick either 5 questions or 4 questions that you want to ask, or five. Um, Sorry, here you go. I want you to pick 4 questions that you want to ask. If you do not want to pick the questions and you want to answer, I want you to go to one of your classmates' reply or comments, and then reply to their questions by answering them. I'm going to explain it again because I know that we did this activity before and it was confusing. So you are working with a partner, but you do not have to work with that partner in person. Basically, you're just going to look at the discussions that we have here, and you pick one of your classmates and then you just reply to them. If they said a question, so you can reply to them by answering their questions. If they said the answers, you can reply to them by trying to figure out the questions that you need to ask them based on those answers. So you will be doing either four questions or four answers. And even it says here that you will have a conversation with one of your classmates. Again, you are not meeting with them because I am aware it is an online class, so you do not have the same hour with your friends. So as I said, just go to the conversation here and reply to your classmates. And I have a link to step one, which is the lesson. I have a link to it here, and you will hear my recording too, and then feel free to reply to my questions if you want to do that. So I'm going to go to the next activity that we have, which is it is a listening activity. This one is it's a YouTube video. I'm going to open it to show you what I'm talking about. So I want you to, it's an ad, so I want you to open the YouTube video, watch it, and when you're done I want you to answer the questions. So again, open the link, watch the ad, and then answer the questions, and that's it. So, and the last one is going to be the music money, which is the last assignment, is going to be La Musique Money, and it is a song about La Valise, which is my suitcase, and I want you to give your feedback in French. And I did add the link to the chat mat, so you can use that to help you write your feedback in French. So yeah, that's it. So I will be meeting with students this week. So I will go to Eastridge and Woodbury. Sometimes I will be the morning. um, I will go to Woodbury, for example, and then I will go to Eastridge in the afternoon. So I will be meeting, as I said, with students who requested to meet with me this week. I have passes for some students that I didn't hear from them yet, so I have passes for some students and I want to meet with them. But if you want to meet with me, or and you didn't message me yet and you need help with your assignments, feel free to just go to Schoology and send me a message, and then we can find the time. We can find the time where we can meet. So yeah, if you have questions, let me know. Allez, au revoir.